On World Pneumonia Day, let's know about it. An infection in the lungs caused by microbes, and the result is inflammation, where inflammation brings water into the lung tissue and the extra water can make it harder to breathe. During inhalation, air reaches your lungs by traveling down your trachea. Then it continues through the bronchi and ends up in the alveoli. The alveoli are the tiny air sacs that look like tiny clumps of grapes that are wrapped up in a net of capillaries. This is where the majority of gas exchange happens in the lungs. Oxygen leaves the air in the alveoli and crosses into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide leaves the bloodstream and is then exhaled out of the body. Now, in addition to air, you constantly breathe in other stuff like microbes. When microbes enter, a mucociliary clearance is done, which lines the entire airway and moves out larger bacteria and macrophages that are nested deep inside the alveoli. But sometimes a particularly nasty microbe might succeed in colonizing the bronchioles or alveoli. And then what happens is you are affected by pneumonia. Those microbes typically multiply and cross over from the airways into the lung tissue, creating an inflammatory response. The tissue quickly fills with white blood cells as well as proteins, fluid, and even red blood cells if a nearby capillary gets damaged in this process. There are a lot of different pneumonia-causing microbes: bacterial, viral, and fungal. Affected person may experience dry cough, fever, muscle aches, and fatigue. The most common diagnosis for severe COVID-19 is severe pneumonia. There are several vaccines that can help prevent pneumonia. The first line of defense against pneumonia is to get vaccinated.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.